until be a little closer.
Oh,
gosh.
It's a deer.
Yeah.
Is he sleeping or is he dead?
He's dead, Pumpkin.
Oh.
Yeah.
What happened?
Looks like somebody hit him in the car. And with a car. I forgot to grab a cow for you.
Oh, somebody left stuff.
A pillow.
In the mat.
And a blanket.
And a blanket.
Ooh, a deer. Hi, dear. Oh. Oh.
I'm tired. I want you to know that I'm so tired.
Yeah?
That was hard.
Where's your blinker? No freaking blinker?
What did it say?
The car didn't put their blinker on, and they just started turning. Look at this car in front of us.
Where?
Do you see that sticking out the side of the car? That car had their bright lights